The 2025 road roller model introduces a completely new standard in the world of compaction technology. Designed for the most demanding road construction projects, this machine focuses on precision, power, and sustainability, all wrapped in a futuristic and highly efficient design. The first impression is striking. The road roller looks massive, yet refined and modern. The 2025 design concept features clean lines, an aerodynamically optimized frame, and high-strength industrial materials. Its industrial metallic gray finish, paired with LED light strips at the front and rear, not only increases visibility, but gives the machine a futuristic, high-tech presence. At its core, the road roller is powered by a next-generation, low-emission diesel engine with hybrid support. This power unit delivers strong traction on all types of terrain, while significantly reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Equipped with start-stop automation and an intelligent engine management system, the roller adapts dynamically to each working condition to ensure maximum efficiency. One of its standout features is the advanced vibration system. With dual adjustable drum segments, variable frequency control, and intelligent pressure regulation, the road roller automatically adjusts to the surface and compaction depth. This guarantees uniform, high-quality compaction performance, regardless of weather or soil conditions. Operator comfort and control have been completely reimagined. The cabin offers a wide panoramic view, an ergonomically optimized control console with touchscreen operation, climate-controlled seating, and a wireless diagnostic system. All functions can be controlled via the central display or voice command. A 360-degree camera system further enhances safety on site and during tight maneuvers. A major innovation is the integrated telematics system. It allows both operators and site managers to monitor machine status, real-time compaction data, fuel usage, and upcoming maintenance needs from anywhere. A mobile app provides access to all analytics remotely, ensuring optimal performance and preventive care. The roller is also prepared for autonomous operation. With GPS support and automated path guidance, it can carry out specific compaction tasks independently. This not only saves time but also reduces human error and increases workforce efficiency. Safety has also been prioritized. The 2025 model includes collision sensors, an emergency braking system, and an intelligent rollover protection system as standard. Emergency shutdown can be triggered manually or automatically if a hazard is detected. The 2025 road roller impressively demonstrates how traditional construction machinery can be transformed through advanced technology into high-performance, sustainable and intelligent equipment. For construction companies focused on quality, digitalization, and environmental responsibility, this model is a true game changer.